Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials so changes take effect. First, make sure your Facebook app or browser is updated. Outdated clients often hide features. Once done, check your privacy and profile visibility so featured content can display publicly or to your chosen audience. Now open your profile, select Featured, and tap Add Featured. You're starting the fix immediately. Selecting images now prevents permission conflicts later and primes the app to reindex those assets. Next, focus on the photos themselves and the permissions that control them. You should pick high-resolution images so Facebook doesn't skip them during thumbnail generation. Low-resolution or corrupted files can fail silently. Then adjust the photo or album privacy to public or friends depending on your goal, because stricter settings can block featured display. If a photo still won't appear, remove it from featured and re-add it. This forces Facebook to reprocess the file and often resolves sync issues. Finish by clearing client-side clutter and verifying on another device. Clear the app cache or browser data and restart so stale metadata is removed. Then reopen your profile and confirm featured shows correctly. If it still fails, try a different device or the desktop site to isolate whether the issue is device-specific. As a troubleshooting tip, report the problem through Settings Help and support with screenshots. Facebook's reprocessing after a report often kicks a stuck featured gallery back into life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.